Hello, welcome to the unboxing of flexible Bluetooth keyboard provided by mobilephone.co.uk. I received this flexible Bluetooth keyboard for iPad from mobile phone today only. I'll be doing a short unboxing of this. By the way, I'm very excited to get this product for review since I've been longing to use a physical keyboard with my iPad. So this does support iOS 4 and I hope it supports iOS 6 as well, about which you will get to know in the text review. Anyhow, let's get on with the unboxing video. Alright, first of all, the moment I opened the package, I was amazed to see how small it is. I didn't expect a physical keyboard actually, to be this concise and this compact. Okay, so this is the connector. I think it is for charging this keyboard. Okay, and this is the manual, the usual manual you get. I think you should be able to use it without any problems. Okay, moving on. And this is the actual keyboard. Oh sweet, feels futuristic. Okay, the keys are nice and soft. Acha, yeah, on the packaging it says very important thing that I wanted to cover. Yeah, wash at any time, washable and hygienic. So as it clearly says it is washable and hygienic, I'm guessing that there are no pores through which water can seep in through this keyboard. So it's all packed in. In case you get any dust on it, you can just wipe it off with a wet cloth and you will be having it as good as new. Okay, so this is pretty basic. I am not sure. Again, I'll be saying the keys are comfortable. They are not big enough, neither they are small enough. I think for someone with small fingers like me should be able to use it comfortably. This is the Bluetooth adapter, I guess. I'm not sure what it does, but I'll be covering each and every point in the text review. Anyhow, this was the unboxing video of the flexible Bluetooth keyboard by mobilephone.co.uk. Thank you for watching this video.